Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll walk you through a detailed tutorial on how to use the ActiveCampaign landing page builder. It's simple to get started, and if you want to follow along, check out the link in the description below. It'll let you sign up for a free trial or log into your account quickly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. In the left-hand menu, go to Site and click on Landing Pages. You'll see a list of your existing landing pages and a button labeled Add New Landing Page. Click that to begin. Next, you'll choose a template for your landing page. ActiveCampaign provides a variety of templates to choose from. Pick the one that fits your needs best. For this demo, let's use a clean, modern template. Once you've selected a template, you'll be directed to the page editor where you can start customizing. On the left side, you'll find the Content tab. Here you can drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and forms onto your page. To edit an element, just click on it and adjust the settings on the right. Let's add a call to action button next. Drag the button element to where you want it, then customize the text, something like Get Started Now, and link it to your chosen URL or form. When you're happy with your page, click Preview in the top right corner to see how it looks to visitors. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit. Name your landing page, choose a URL, and hit Publish to make it live. And that's it. You've just created a fantastic landing page using ActiveCampaign's landing page builder. Remember, great landing pages are clear, concise, and compelling. And don't miss out on my free email list building course available in the description below. In this course, you'll discover how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. The training is free for a limited time, so be sure to take advantage of it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great content.